Hello everyone, myself IMDAD I read in class 4. My school name is Nur Academy Secondary School. Today I will tell you about mixer. Do you know what is a mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more substances. Do you know there are two types of mixtures? One is homogeneous mixture and another is heterogeneous mixture. Now I will tell you about what is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, where all the substances are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Example, salt water. This is a salt water. Here water and salt are mixed properly. Now I will tell you about what is heterogeneous mixture. Mixtures where all the substances are not evenly distributed is called heterogeneous mixture. Example, pizza. As we can see that paneers are not evenly distributed, but this is a mixture. Thank you. This is a short idea about mixture.